Is your vehicle ready for the Great American Summer Road Trip? Hello everybody, my name is Steve Conley, the owner of Severna Park Auto Body. We've been serving the Severna Park, Millersville, Severna area for over 26 years, providing quality auto body work and paint work. We're hoping that you're having a safe and healthy summer. And speaking of summer, is your vehicle ready for the Great American Summer Road Trip? Does it need some repairs before you go? Or do you want to leave it with us while you're gone? We can fix it for you while you're enjoying your holiday at the beach, holiday in the mountains, or wherever you may end up this summer. So give us a call, 410-987-9493, and we'll handle all the insurance paperwork for you. You won't have a worry at all while you're on your Great American Summer Road Trip. So have a great time, stay healthy, and we wish you the best. Thank you very much and have a great summer.